Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HardTravel.com, your Norwegian cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Norwegian Sun. I'm in one of the Penthouse Suites. This is the entry-level suite here on board, but you're going to get all of those fantastic full suite amenities. I'm going to take you through the space and review the amenities in just a minute, but keep in mind when you're ready to book your next suite with Oceania, Regent, or Norwegian, make sure you reach out to Hard Travel. We are your suite experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Hard Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, you're going to love your concierge service that you'll get. It starts even before you arrive, and of course, your Hard Travel advisor can guide you through that process. Once you get to the ship, you're going to have priority embarkation and disembarkation, including those tender ports throughout. And you're also going to have butler service 24 hours a day. You're going to love everything that your butler can do for you, whether it's making reservations, drawing a bubble bath, or just handling all the details while you cruise. You're going to have an amazing experience here on board. Now let's tour this beautiful space. Now it is at the front of the ship. I wanted to point that out. And as you walk in the door here, you're going to have your light controls and temperature controls. And then you have this little nook. I do like that. It's got a US plug, so you can use it as a charging station, or you can put any items that you don't want to forget before you head on out. Now this has a really large walk-in closet and bathroom. Let me take you in here. We'll start with the closet. So you've got hanging storage on this side, hanging storage all the way around. You're also going to find those extra comfy Norwegian bathrobes and slippers that you'll utilize on board, and a lot of our guests purchase them when they head home. You've got a large golf umbrella to utilize on board and a safe. You also have storage here with the drawers on either side, and then right in the middle is the vanity. You've got a backlit magnifying mirror and a nice large backlit mirror as well, and then right next to it you're going to find your hair dryer. Now as we head into the bathroom, this is a really nice large space. You've got a large double vanity here with a nice countertops. You're going to have storage underneath, plug for a razor, and then those little touches that Norwegian is so good at. The little shower poofs there, and then of course those upgraded L'Occitane bath amenities. Now on this side, you're going to find an extra large jacuzzi soaking tub. It's even big enough for me. I really like that. And it also doubles as a shower. So you've got the shower head up above there that's adjustable, and then you see in here you've got all the bubblers. Now what I like about this particular one is in addition to that, you're also going to have a step-in shower. So you've got a full step-in shower here as well, adjustable shower wand, and then you're going to have more of those highly upgraded L'Occitane bath amenities. Another great feature is you've got the water closet tucked just behind the corner here. I love that they have that extra level of separation. Now as we head into the main bedroom, it really opens up. On the side here, you're going to have a writing desk. You've got a Euro plug and two US plugs. Now I always bring extra European adapters and converters so I can take advantage of all the plugs in the room. You're going to have a little seat where you can sit there, a little bit of storage above and below, and then you'll find your Nespresso maker. This is a fantastic suite level amenity. I start my day at home the same way, so I love that I can do that here on board. In addition, they also have the Tea Fortes. They'll replenish both of those as you'd like. You've got your mini fridge underneath, and then you'll find you have your glassware. Another great feature of this particular suite is that you're going to have great in-room dining options in addition to having an upgraded specialty breakfast or lunch, or you could do both of them, of course, in one of the specialty restaurants here on board. It's a totally upgraded experience, but you can also dine right at your dining room table. White tablecloth service there where they can deliver during meal times, or of course, if you want to snack 24 hours a day. You've got a nice large comfy sofa here. This does pull out so you can have up to 2 more guests in the suite. You're going to see that you have a nice reading chair, and you're also going to have a coffee table in the middle. Another really nice feature is you have surround sound. You'll see one of the speakers up there. And then on the other side, just below the TV, you have all of the additional surround sound features. They have a DVD player here, and you even have a large collection to choose from. The TV is flat panel, as I mentioned. It's fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship in addition to watching television. You can see your dining room table here, and then just behind me is your bed. Now, I think Norwegian has the best beds in the business. They're extra comfy. You have those fantastic, comfortable mattresses. Of course, the linens. On our last cruise, my wife and I absolutely fell in love with that. And you even have a pillow menu to choose from. Another great feature is there's plenty of space underneath to tuck your bags away. And then on the reading lamps on either side, you're also going to have a built-in USB charger. Just below, you're also going to have some side tables, but one of the great features of this suite is that you're looking directly out the front of the ship, so you get those same incredible views as the captain. In fact, let me take you outside to your balcony to see them even better. Now on deck 9, they also have 2 corner penthouses. Now on deck 8, you're going to find the forward-facing penthouses. Those are upgraded, and we have that on our channel as well. But I just wanted to point out that on deck 9 on the corners, it's a little bit of a different configuration, especially with the bathroom and closet. So the room is very similar here. And as we step in, what you're going to find is that the bathroom's on the corner here. And then looking just inside, once again, you're also going to have that full setup of the tub and the separate bath. Now we're out on the balcony of one of the corners. I just wanted to point out that the balcony space is a little bit smaller as well. The middle ones have a little bit more open outdoor balcony space. So now we're out on your private balcony. It's a nice large space. You're gonna have 2 extra comfy loungers. They're thickly padded, and of course you can have towels delivered from your butler as well. You have a nice little table in the middle, and then on this side you're gonna find your chair and dining room table. Now what I like about this is that it's actually a full dining room table, so you can have every single meal out here on your balcony. You can picture going into the glaciers in Alaska, maybe having a nice cup of coffee or tea out here, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening. But whatever it is that you like to do, this is your private space where you can take advantage of those incredible ocean views. Now when you're ready to book this suite or any room or suite with Norwegian, Regent, or Oceania, make sure you reach out to Hard Travel. We are your suite experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Hard Travel signature service every step of the way.